Next up are the command room entry and command room exit keycards. Me from the future, quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. Maps.techno.com. You can use either of these to get access to the same room. So, with that in mind, make your way to the Armory map, zooming in into the actual Armory down south, take one of the three entrances around the front, and head towards the core unit. Inside of the core unit, take the stairs down, either on the left or the right, and just below you'll find the command room down here. This bottom left segment here is the place that we want to go. The one on the left is the exit, and the one on the bottom is the entry. Again, you only need one of these key cards. So I'll find my way in here and down the stairs. Heading in, down the stairs here. On the underground floor here, we'll look immediately left if you came down this west staircase, and you'll see the door here. It's a good idea to check to see if this is locked. Otherwise, head across to the far side and check to see if this is locked as well. This one is unlocked. Therefore, someone's been here and it's not worthwhile wasting an entrance. So inside of here, you have some general loose loot on this war table here. Seems like there's a flashbang left here and a safe in this far left corner. Now, unfortunately, someone has been here before me, so this was looted. Who knows what it could have inside of it, but it's just a regular safe. Then, looking around here, might be some more loose loot on this table, nothing around here, and that's pretty much it. This room has only one safe, and that's everything. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.